So if you are someone like me, this video is for the girls or even boys if they to the one who wants to start things but neglecting from the past days and waiting for the perfect time to start, then this video is definitely for you. Don't skip this video, watch till the end. Do you ever want something so badly but still not started it? Not because you are lazy, not because you don't care, but because something just stops you. Yeah, that's the one I'm talking about, the one you are thinking. Yeah, that's right. I used to think I just need enough motivation, like maybe one more video, one more quote, one more this is your sign type of videos. But the truth is, I was not waiting for motivation, I was waiting to feel ready. And that feeling, it never comes. Because the real reason you're not starting, it's not lack of time, it's not lack of skills, not big dramatic fear, but it's a small quiet fear because you always think, what if I'm not good enough? What if people judge you? What if I fail and everyone sees it and everyone laugh about me, laugh about my failures? Because the real question you are not starting is not lack of time and it's not lack of skills. It's fear, not a big dramatic fear, but a small quiet fear because you're always thinking about what if I'm not good enough, what if people judge me, what if I fail and everyone sees it and everyone laughs it. But so instead of starting, you plan, you think, you imagine how perfect it sounds and it should be. And somehow days turn into weeks, weeks turn into months, and you will be at the same place that you are in right now. And with the same idea still inside your head, and you're still thinking about all the things instead of starting. And the worst part is you watch other people doing the exact same thing you wanted to, and it somehow hurts because not because they are better, but because you know you could have been started that too. Yeah, I have came from all of the thoughts and push myself into this video making. Yeah, that's right. Let me tell you something, you are not scared of starting. You are scared of being seen while you are still figuring it out, the life you want. You want to be too good before you even begin, and that's not how anything works. Nobody starts perfect. Everyone starts awkward, feels confused, cringe. Yes, cringe like my video. Just kidding. The people you think confident are now, they were once the same person as you, hesitating, overthinking, doubting themselves. The only difference between you and them was they started it anyway, and you are still thinking about how to do things and how to manage things, and you are still thinking, but they are doing, so they are confident now, and you are not. If you are waiting to feel ready, please stop. If you are waiting for the confidence, please stop. If you are waiting for the perfect time, it's not coming. So do what you are thinking from the past days and start working on the thing. But even if you are scared, start messy, start when you feel like you don't know enough because that's the only way you will get there, the thing you want, the place you want to go. And one more thing, people are not thinking about you as much as you think about the people. Everyone is busy with their own life, with their own insecurities, with their own problems. You are not the center of their world, so stop acting like you are one step is being seen by everyone. End of the day, the only thing that's actually stopping you is you. Not your situation, not your background, not your timing, it's you. So either you keep thinking about it or start. Even if it's bad, even if it's small, even if it feels confused, even if it's not perfect, starting is the only thing that you can do. No, you must do. Because a bad start is still better than a perfect plan that never happens. So this video is mainly I think for myself, because to start this YouTube channel it take me a lot of months, even year. At least I started, because the best second time is now, because the first best time was in the past and it's over. So if you feel relate to this video, then please like to my video and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.